Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I have this big box here and I'm going to be unboxing some Triple S. And these are not mine, these are my boyfriend's, but I wanted to show these because these are kind of different ones and yeah. But with no further ado, let's get this big box open. So this one is in it comes with an envelope with the returning instructions and thank you for shopping and stuff like that usually comes when you order from online. And then so this comes in this white Balenciaga box. Usually the shoes come in a gray box these days because Balenciaga has changed its color, but I think because these shoes were on sale, it comes in a white box because they want to get rid of the white boxes. So yeah, and also my Balenciagas that I have came in a white box because yeah, I ordered them so long ago. So yeah, but let's get this open. And also the new Balenciagas come in a gray dust bag and the old ones have a white dust bag. So if you're thinking why this is white, it's because these are like the old versions of the dust bag and box. And then so much packaging. So these are the Balenciaga Triple S in the navy and gray colorway, and they have the twisted laces. These twisted laces came out a bit after the normal Triple S or this year, and yeah, they're pretty funky and they go all the way down here, the twisting, so they might be a bit hard to like tighten. I'm not really sure, but yeah, I think this color is pretty cool. It's really different and it's kind of bold, but it's not too bold, and blue goes with pretty much everything. So yeah, a nice color combo with the gray. And they come with normal laces as well, so if you don't like the curly laces, you can use the normal ones, but I don't really know why the color is like black and red because I don't really see it matching because the shoe doesn't have any black in it. Because the bottom, yeah, the bottom is almost black, but I think it's like really dark blue. Maybe it's black. It's black from the bottom, but still I don't see red and blue and gray and black going together that well. So yeah, don't know why they have this color, but maybe someone likes it. And yeah. Outlook of the shoe is pretty, or it's kind of worn, or it's not super worn like the first Balenciagas. They were like really worn, but you can see that there's like some looks like it's been worn a few times, and also the black is not really black. It has some gray parts in it and stuff like that, so that's kind of cool. And yeah, it's blue, and then it has like this cool dark gray and then white and black. But yeah, I think the color combination is really cool. It doesn't have too many colors, and the blue is kind of, it's not blue, it's kind of like a broken blue, but yeah, I really like the colorway. I don't know if I would wear it that much myself because I don't wear blue things. I pretty much don't own anything blue. So the retail price for these was 695 euros, and then because these were on sale and they were minus 40%, it was around 400 euros. So that's a pretty good deal for the Triple S because it is a pretty expensive shoe. And then also here at the bottom, it also has the Balenciaga text, which I didn't mention before, like all the Balenciagas have. Also, my boyfriend is normally a size 9, which is 42.5, I think. And he took these in a 41, which was perfect for him. So these are a bit big, so you should size down if you're wanting to get a pair. But yeah, this was it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!